Welcome to Design Inspiration, where we don't just create spaces, but awaken a lifestyle. When we think of Dubai, we think of monumental architecture, gold-plated hotels, and a captivating high-class lifestyle. But the special thing is, you can bring that spirit into your own living space. Today, let's explore a bathroom design in Dubai style, where luxury is not just appearance, but a declaration of lifestyle. Dubai style, the breath of modern Arabic elegance. When stepping into a bathroom space inspired by Dubai, you don't just see luxury, you feel as if entering a completely different world. This interior style is a blend between traditional Islamic art and modern international sophistication, creating a space that is both nostalgic and symbolic. Soft arches, intricately carved arabesque motifs, combined with grand, bold shapes, all together create a beauty of modern royalty. The color palette is what makes Dubai truly distinctive. Sparkles gold, representing wealth. Sparkles pearl white, pure and classy. Sparkles desert beige, warm and neutral. Sparkles sapphire blue and velvet black, mysterious and alluring. This is not just a bathroom, it is a miniature palace in the heart of everyday life, where you can touch the peak of indulgence each day. The beauty comes from sophisticated choices. A luxurious space has never been defined by superficial glamour, but by how we choose each material, coordinate every color tone, and place every detail in the right place, in the right shade. With a Dubai-style bathroom, opulence is conveyed through symbolic materials, not ostentatious, but enough to make every gaze pause. First is large-veined marble, a material that reflects class and solidity. The flowing veins, like smoke drifting across a pure white base, are used to cover walls, floors, and even vanity tops, creating a vivid work of art right within a private space. Next comes metallic mosaic tiles or gold leaf, sparkling accents that appear on the wall behind mirrors, bathtub edges, or steam room areas. They not only highlight the layout but also act like refined jewels adorning the entire space. High-gloss walnut wood, with its warm brown tones and luxurious grain, is often chosen for cabinet systems and floating shelves, helping to balance the coolness of stone and metal. This is the element that keeps the space both dazzling and warm, elegant yet inviting. Finally, gold-plated or rose gold metal details are indispensable, appearing on cabinet handles, faucets, mirror frames, and even pendant lights. Each piece is not just a fixture but a punctuation mark in the symphony of sophistication. All these elements blend together to create a space that is radiant without being flashy, expensive without being boastful, just like the refined, inspired, and proud lifestyle spirit of Dubai. Premium experience and functionality. A luxurious space is not only beautiful, it must fulfill both emotional and functional needs. And in Dubai-style bathroom design, layout is not simply about arrangement, but the art of crafting a peak living experience. At the center of the entire space is a large bathtub, usually placed right in the middle of the room like a sculptural masterpiece. Beneath it is a floor with shimmering golden mosaic patterns, sparkling under the crystal chandelier, like a gilded carpet that supports the owner's relaxing moment. Surrounding it is a system of built-in cabinets, neat and seamless, bringing a sense of openness while still being fully equipped. Light is diffused from a splendid crystal chandelier hanging from the ceiling, reflecting on every line of stone, metal, and wood, creating a picture of light filled with depth and elegance. In front is a double vanity arranged symmetrically, accompanied by a large mirror with a hand-carved frame, clearly expressing the spirit of Arabic art. Every morning, the warm golden light from the arabesque-style pendant lamp helps you start the day with inspiration and grace. Beyond the beauty, the back of the space integrates a dry or steam sauna, designed as a private home spa, allowing the body to detox, relax, and fully recover its energy. Everything is wrapped in layers of soft sheer curtains, keeping the space private and discreet, yet visually open and emotionally expansive. This is truly the pinnacle of design, regal but not ostentatious, functional yet filled with artistry. In Dubai-style bathroom design, Lighting is not just for illumination, but to guide emotion. It is the kind of light that tells stories, that touches the senses and evokes layers of deep space. Nothing is more iconic than warm golden light, coming from antique brass wall lamps or a splendid crystal chandelier hanging from the ceiling. That light is not dazzling, not ostentatious, but gently spreads, shining on the surface of large veined marble, gliding softly over sparkling gold-plated details. Each ray of light seems to highlight the beauty of every material, creating visual depth and an enveloping sense of warmth. But to truly touch emotion, lighting alone is not enough. Fragrance is the final element that transforms a physical space into a complete sensory experience. In a Dubai-style bathroom, the warm scent of oud, oriental incense, or seductive Arabian rose is often chosen as the dominant fragrance. Just a few scented candles delicately placed by the edge of the bathtub allow the scent to gradually spread with the steam, helping every tension to be eased from the very first breath. Dubai-style bathroom design is not for the masses. It is not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice for those who cherish every private moment, who understand that meticulousness in the smallest details is the way to express true class. True luxury does not lie in extravagant items, but in a mindset of quality living, where you invest not just to see, but to feel. A space where every morning becomes a ritual of inspired beginnings. A place where evening is not just the end of the day, but a moment to care for yourself, to recover, and to love who you are. If you are also searching for a royal living space, where beauty walks hand in hand with comfort, where light, fragrance, and emotion blend together, then welcome to Design Inspiration. Follow us to discover more high-end designs, created especially for those who live with sophistication, live fully, and live with style.